Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Google Pixel 6. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. After that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on Motorola. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. From here, you need to choose Receive on your Google Pixel and Send on Motorola smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and just send over here. This way you can select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go into Photos, click on one, choose Send and tap on Got it! Now on Google Pixel, click on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Google, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here as well and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!